We'll guide you through how to integrate ClickUp with Outlook. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ClickUp website. Log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the More option, then click APPS. You'll see a list of available integrations. Look for Outlook and click on it. This will prompt you to connect your Outlook account to ClickUp. A new window will open, asking you to sign in to your Microsoft account. Enter your Outlook email and password, and then grant the necessary permissions for ClickUp to access your Outlook account. After you've successfully connected, return to ClickUp and you'll notice that your Outlook calendar is now available under the Calendar view in ClickUp. You can now create tasks in ClickUp and have them automatically appear in your Outlook calendar. This integration allows for seamless scheduling and task management across both platforms. You can even customize your task notifications and reminders to ensure you never miss a deadline. If you ever need to disconnect the integration, simply go back to the Integrations page in ClickUp and select Disconnect next to Outlook. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.